When I think about all the stars that had to align for us to be together, I have to believe that fate had a hand in it all. There's a line in a book that says, "I fell in love like you would fall asleep, slowly and then all at once." And that's the best way I can describe how it happened for me. You have brought me more love and laughter to my life and made me the happiest girl in the world. You are true to the core, generous with your heart, and the protector of mine. I promise to spend my life loving you the way that you love me, selflessly and completely with every fiber in my body. I'll love you today and for all my days.
I can't believe this day has finally come. Seems like yesterday we met on the semester at sea 10 years ago. Little did I know that meeting you would change my life in a way that I couldn't have ever imagined. It's that you bring so much joy and happiness into my life, and I can't imagine going through life, raising a family, and growing old without you by my side. Today is the happiest day of my life. I can't imagine a more perfect moment than watching you, my best friend and bride-to-be, walk down that aisle. I know you are going to be an incredible wife, mother, and lifelong partner, and I promise to love you, honor you, and protect you from this day forward. Thank you for being the incredible woman that you are, and bringing out the best in me. I love you.
Semester at Sea is where you met, and it's a journey you two will never forget. You lived on opposite sides of the coast for most of the years, but you shared memories, laughs, and even some tears. Tony eventually moved to Boston to seal the deal and to enjoy his next gluten-free meal. They got engaged in Ireland last September, and it's a trip that they will always remember. Fast forward a year, and here we are. We thank you all for coming from near and far. So pick up your drink. It's time for a toast. Let's celebrate the couple we love the most. Michelle and Tony, to you we cheers, to love and happiness for all of the years.
Michelle and Tony have come here today with their hearts overflowing with love and happiness, and they want to share that with all of us here today. Today, their hopes and dreams are also our hopes and dreams for them. Marriage will bring you many emotions over the years, but I assure you it will bring you great comfort and joy. Married love is like no other love. Do not let your love stop growing. Continue to strengthen your relationship. Married love brings peace and comfort. It builds strength and forgiveness, and it brings incredible joy.
Didn't take long, quite frankly. I looked in their eyes. I saw them both when they were together, and that's the look I saw. How much he really loves Michelle, and they love one another. And our wish for the two of you is to enjoy a long, long marriage and life together, filled with happiness, filled with respect, filled with family and friends. Most importantly, most sincerely, filled with love. So God bless you both as you start your life.